How to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now as you do that, simply tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen and here you can select on the post. Now tap on this icon where you can select multiple pictures, and after that you can select the required pictures over here. So let me select all these photos and then tap on next. As you tap on next, here you'll be able to see the option of music at the very first option. So tap on the music option and here you can select any music. So I'm going to select on this music. You can trim as you want over here. I'm going to do this and then tap on done. After that, tap on next. And here you can add captions, tag people, add locations and so on, and then share it. And that's how you can add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.